name is Julia, and here at Dodge Nature Center, we love to explore and learn in the outdoors, especially during the winter. But if you need a warm-up break inside and are feeling creative, check out this fun paper bag snowflake craft. You need just 3 items: scissors, paper lunch bags, and hot glue. First, you need to glue 7 bags together, one on top of the other. I like to make a T shape with the glue to secure each bag in place, with the top of the T at the bottom end of the bag. Make sure all of your bags are facing the same way. Now it's design time. You can draw it out before you cut, or just go for it. Once you are happy with your design, grab your scissors and start cutting out your shapes. Finally, the fun part, revealing your snowflake. Grab the top of the 2 end bags and unfurl your creation. Bring the 2 ends together and secure with glue. Now you're ready to hang up your creation.